Hey y'all, it's Angie. I'm here today with this seller-gifted Wacotoya retractable hose reel. This is what it looks like when we get it all out of the box. Everything that you need comes complete, and you even get a sprayer with it. To get started, we grabbed a Sharpie, we put our bracket up, and we marked all 4 holes on the brick. Now we started this out with a regular drill with a masonry bit, and it wasn't enough. We had to resort to a hammer drill. Once you get your holes drilled, you'll just tap in your wall anchor. I recommend a socket wrench. You put that on there and tighten everything down. Once tight, you'll put your metal bar in, go ahead and grab your hose reel and slide the back part of it onto the metal pole. Once that's fully seated, all that's left is attaching the leader line. The line on this one is pretty long. This is what your finished install will look like. You've got your hose reel and your lead line attached, and you're all set to begin using it. To withdraw the hose, you just grab the end and extract it, and to retract it, just give it a little tug and it will fully retract. This is a 100-foot hose, and I had plenty of space to get all the way around to the front of my house. I would recommend when you retract this to go ahead and walk back with it, just so it doesn't do any weird spinning and tangling and everything, but you can see here it retracts all by itself. It retracts completely into the housing unit, and the stopper keeps it from going all the way in. I like the design on this. The handle is easy to grab and helps with installation. You've got a little sun shield on the front and your stopper on the hose. This is a 100-foot hose, and it performed really well for me during testing. I love that it'll do a complete 180 on the wall, so it can be used at whatever angle you need it. I was very pleased with this, would definitely recommend it.